I have 3 DIY Dollar Tree spring wreaths to share with you, and they're pretty unique, a little bit different from your normal spring wreaths. So for the first DIY, I'm using this plastic catering plate from the Dollar Tree, and I scrub it down really good with soap and water because I go back with a Rust-Oleum chalkboard spray paint and spray it down. Then I take the Forsythia and 2 short branches and 5 long branches, also from the Dollar Tree. Starting with the long branches, I bend them to fit the plate and use hot glue to attach it all the way around the rim. And I continue to do this until it is totally covered. Now I go back with these shorter stems, I cut them up, and I fill in any patches or holes that are left. I decided to go back and add some of these little white flowers also from the Dollar Tree, and I just hot glue them sporadically all over the wreath. Then I'm gonna write the word hello because I'm putting this on my front door. I love chalkboards and I love wreaths, so these are my 2 favorite things combined. I absolutely love the way this looks with the contrast, the black, the yellow, and how it looks against my red door. For my next DIY, I'm using this chicken wire. It's from Walmart, it's only $3, and then a wreath from Dollar Tree. I'm just tracing out with chalk where I'm gonna cut the chicken wire, which does cut very easily with regular scissors. You just wanna be careful not to cut yourself. I hot glued that to the wreath, and then taking pliers, I twisted down the edges so I don't get cut or poked or it doesn't scratch my door. And then I take another layer of hot glue to ensure I don't get poked or cut, whatever. I'm taking these white flowers from Dollar Tree and pulling them apart. I hot glue them to the front of the wreath, and then I just took 2 flowers I already have, but they were from Dollar Tree. I'm sure you can still get them there. Onion grass, and pull that apart, just a little piece of it, and hot glue that to the wreath as well, along with some leaves and some of the little white flowers from the last wreath. I got this H at Dollar Tree next to checkout, and originally I was gonna paint it a different color, but I kinda like the color it has on the back, the blue. So I'm just gonna hot glue it to my wreath. And I love the way this looks. I'm putting this on my daughter's door. These are kind of like her room colors. I love the way this looks. It's a unique, different look for a spring wreath, and it'd be a great wedding gift, I think, too. For the last DIY, I'm using another willow wreath from the Dollar Tree and some Dollar Tree moss. I'm hot gluing the moss all over the wreath, starting on the front. Then I work my way to the sides, and then I'm gonna hot glue on the inside as well. Now I'm using a willow wreath instead of a wreath form because if the moss falls off, I don't wanna see foam, I wanna see wood. Then I'm taking some twine and I'm gonna wrap it all the way around the wreath, no rhyme or reason, and it's gonna look about like this. Now I saw something like this at Michael's for like $50. Heck no, not even with a coupon, I'm just gonna make my own. Dollar Tree burlap, I made a little bow and this is how I'm gonna hang it. And I like the way this looks too. This is very spring-like or even summer. I may add some flowers or eggs for Easter, who knows. Thank you for watching. I think my favorite wreath is, I don't know, it's a tie between my chalkboard wreath and the chicken wire wreath. I really can't decide. You let me know what your favorite is. Once again, thank you so much for watching.